Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Wahid Krisnamukti. On this session, I will present material regarding of understanding intangible asset. What what are intangible asset? Intangible asset are non-physical identified resource controlled by an entity that are expected to provide future economic benefit. They can distinguish unlike tangible asset. Intangible like physical substance, yet they can often express the majority of company market capitalization. And common example this include patent, trademark, copyright, customer relationship, accorded goodwill, and the proprietary technology. Category and intangible assets, this intellectual property, goodwill, marketing, and customer asset. Accounting for intangible asset, recognition and measure. Recognition criteria, intangible asset are typical records on balance sheet only if you are acquired from external party and their cost in identify and reliable measure. Amortization, financial life, intangible which finish useful must be systematical amortize over that life, reducing their book value annually. Internality generate asset cost related to developing internal intangible in like building a brand or generating goodwill are generally expense immediately rich than capitalization, leading to a gap between book and market value. Impairment test intangible which identify life amount but must be tested annually for impairment to ensure the asset records value is recoverable. Uh, Presentation and the disclosure requirements. Balance sheet presentation, intangible asset must be present separately on balance sheet categories by class, particularly if the constitutes more 5% of total asset. Amortization and renewal details. Company must disclose the amortization periods being used, estimate residual value, and any terms related to the renewal, extension of legal or contextual right. Requires notes disclosure. The notes to financial statement must provide detailed information on all acquired intangible asset and the clearing outline the accounting policy applied of recognition and measure. The growing improvement and intangible asset business valuation challenge and the future direction of in an accounting measure difficulty. A persistent challenge is establishing a reliable and objective valuation for internally generated intangible, which are often the mass value asset. Focus disclosure. Current consensus leans towards improving the transparency and depth of disclosure about intangible asset richer and radically change the accounting rules of capitalization standard setter engagement, but the International Standards Board IASB and the Financial Accounting Standards Board FASB have ongoing research project dedicated to refining standards and assessing the relevance of financial statement concerning intangible. Unclocking hidden value, these intangible assets are critical foundation for understanding true worth and future potential of any modern enterprise. Critical component, investor confidence, strategic of navigation. That's all the presentation for me, and thank you.